Back, and as you can see, I changed my background. Let's play this. I didn't even want to upload today. I don't know why. I feel tired. Oh man, I don't think I can do this. I feel extremely tired. Change skin. Okay. Now let's keep it at this. See how well we do at this. Hey boy. What? Stupid Homer. Hold on, what? Markiplier! Markiplier is on here. Markiplier, he's on number 6. Turn. Tom. God damn it, buddy. The sensitivity on here is like feeling way too fast right now. I haven't played this game in it feels like a long time. But when was my last video on this? Like 2 yesterday? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh hell no. Hell to the no. Laws of physics. Why did I say that? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, yeah. Oh. Whoa. No, it was my chance. God damn it. Stupid showtime. If I get on a leaderboard, God, I'm gonna be happy. Especially if I pass Mark. This is obviously not the real him, because I'm not even playing online. You know, like, damn. Yes. No. Oh, why do I keep failing at that? It's like I lost my skill. Not like I ever had any. God. If Markiplier's on here, then I will have to do the unthinkable. Yep, I had to do the unthinkable. I mean, I actually thought of it, so it's thinkable. I sound like a retard. Aw. Wait, buddy. Let's kill Jax. Hell no. There's actually a guy named Hell No, or Heel No. He's a sorry dummy worm. Jesus Christ. Nah. Ginormous? Really? Ginormous? You're not even like 1,000 or 200. Maybe not even 200. Oh, I'm sorry if I can't play right. My thumb hurts. Oh. Ow. And comment if you like my new background, which is lightning. Which is gonna be in badass. I'm such a badass. I'm so lucky. Okay, no, that's not luck, it's skill. Whoa! Oh, nah. Hey buddy. $20 peanut. Huh? Right before I started recording, I was watching Jacksepticeye play that Castaway game. It's not really Castaway, but Stranded Deep. Okay. And if you can get a game like that on here, then I would play it. Just for years if it's not cheaty. Feels like my views have died out. Because my first video had like 20, 21, 25 views. Now it's only at 1. I mean, like, my newest video only has 1. Which sucks. Unlike this guy. I mean, unlike me. I mean, yeah, maybe my videos do suck, but at least I'm trying. I actually have more shit. I actually have more subscribers than a lot of damn people. And I only have 7. 7, do you freaking hear me? Damn. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Markiplier is still number 6. I'm not even on the leaderboard. God damn it. Oh, sorry, Gummy Worm. He got down. Wait. PP. Wow, really? PP's number 1. PewDiePie. I'm bigger than you. 129. Maybe I can rap. Maybe I'm rapping right now. You'll all never know. Cause I'm too badass. For all you to know. What? I am not pressing that button. Oh, I didn't mean to. Why you always lying? Ooh, damn. Shut up, you're not cool, dubstep. I hate dubstep. I love it. Even though I don't listen to it often, how did I fail? Oh, I suck at that. I'm actually gonna stop doing that. Let's do this one. See how, like my thumb hurts. See how well I can do with this. Damn, I could've got him. Yes, I did. I got him. I am so lucky, and you are such an asshole. If you see me insulting these people, don't friggin' worry. These are just stupid, computer people things. God damn it. Oh, feels like my skills, well, I don't really have, I'm not really good at this game to start with. I mean, the closest thing I was to the leaderboard was number 10. And hell, that, I didn't even get a lot of likes. Or did I? See how well I can do with this. Scrubs? Does that say Scrubs? I can't really read when it's moving. Oh. Why does no one like me? You love this game? This game is pissing me off. Like right now. But it's not pissing me off as much as friggin' Unfair Mario. Friggin' hate that game. I am such a master. Master. I'm not even trying to kill these people. Damn, that's how good I am. Sounds like I'm bragging now. No, of course. I don't know which guy was longer anyways. Damn it. Dappling. Hey, boy. Whew. What's up with people having the same damn skins? God damn it, I couldn't have got him, holy crap. Eat me. Okay. Actually, you try to eat me and I'll kill you. Because this game makes a lot of sense. Like, I just died. Oh, I feel tired. I'm gonna try to put as much excitement into this, but I probably can't because this game is pissing me off. God damn it. Oh man. Ooh. Change my skin. That doesn't give me good luck. What gives me good luck more than anything is something that I never used before, so I did it. Can't remember. I'm off to a good start, I guess. Nope. Good start, but bad ending. Like that. Look at the best length, and that's not even my high score. That's not, I didn't make that damn high score. Someone else did. But someone else is my friend. Is that supposed to be MTS the King? Oh, wait, is that supposed to be me? I can't read. What's weird is that I'm wearing, my name is Jacksepticeye, but shy boy. Name's Jacksepticeye and I can't do this. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. To be honest, I really don't care if I get hate. I'm just here to have a good time. Have fun. I mean, yeah, no shit, yeah. Maybe this day was worth it. Oh, god damn it. I'm gonna screw it up. Everyone knows it. Or maybe everyone that knows me. Maybe I didn't have to go all the way around. He just ran into me. Ooh, shit, boy. You can't trick me. I'm too smart. I'm an actual human. You're just a stupid computer. Computers are stupid. Even calculators are stupid. They don't know what's... Wait. I was gonna say they stupid and they... Oh, I killed Jacksepticeye. Damn. Never thought it would come to this. You stupid piece of... You know what? It's already been almost 15 minutes. Gonna have to end this video here.